Hi friends, welcome to my channel Ready K. We have very good opportunities from Qualcomm and Propel Technology Solutions. They are hiring for the freshers software jobs. This is a very good update from these companies. They are mainly hiring for freshers. So they mention technologies like Python, C++, Java. If you have a knowledge on that related to this, you can easily apply. Let's see the job description, roles and responsibilities and skills. So guys, let's see the update from Propel Technologies and Solutions. They are just hiring for the freshers 2024 batch, and they mentioned the role is a software developer and the location is Chennai, India. And if you have interested towards this opportunity, you can apply by clicking on I am interested button. If you want to refer your friend, you can refer. And let's see the job description and roles and responsibilities. Here you can see they mentioned that it's a developer role, and the experience is a freshers to 2024 batch passed out, and the skills or strong fundamentals of programming, analytical and programming solving skills, proactive and self-motivated, good oral and written communication skills, open to all specializations with 60%, and you should not have any areas in the academics. And the interview process is first aptitude test. After clearing the aptitude test, you will be having that is programming test. After that, final interview. And the location is Chennai. You can see here you should have proficiency in any one of the programming languages like C or C++, Java or C# or JavaScript, basic knowledge of database and data structures, OOPS, knowledge of the common application. These are the requirements and the roles and responsibilities and the experience range. So if you have met the roles and responsibilities and skills, you can apply. I will just mention the link in the description. Thank you. So another company, that is Qualcomm, is hiring for automation engineer, and they mentioned that you should have Python or C, and the location is Hyderabad, Telangana, India, and the posting date is 20, and the company is Qualcomm India Private Limited, and job area is engineering group that is software engineering. And you can see general summary. If you have knowledge in Python or C, if you want to go towards the automation engineer, you just click on apply now, and you will be navigate to the details. They will just mention the first name and last name, and your mobile number, email, whatever they have provided, you can just mention them, and gender and the position location. If you want to locate to the Hyderabad, just click on I am applying for a position of outside the United States, and after that the below option you should choose that yes option. After that, just click on submit button. It will just going to submit it. So this is the requirements. If you have knowledge on Python or C, you can apply. Thank you.